Hello there. After the recent flooding we've seen in Italy, there could be more of it to come because we've got another slow-moving weather system which is drifting its way around the central Mediterranean. You can see the bulk of cloud associated with that system here on the satellite image. Also a swirl of cloud moving to the northwest of the UK. That's the remnants of Hurricane Oscar, bringing some windy weather through Sunday across parts of the UK into Scandinavia too. But it's this system we are more concerned about. Heavy rainfall once again pushing into central and southern parts of Italy, exacerbating the flooding situation there. Meanwhile, a much drier, quieter spell of weather for Turkey, Greece and the Balkans, where temperatures are certainly on the warm side. For Spain and Portugal, it's looking dry for central and eastern Spain, but for Portugal and for the northwest of Spain, some heavy rain moving in on this frontal system, the winds picking up too. Mostly dry through central France into Germany, where temperatures are going to be on the up over the next couple of days, but will be turning increasingly windy across parts of Scandinavia. Now, through the day on Monday, this frontal system works its way further eastward, so some heavy rain, some mountain snow across parts of Spain, the Balearics, and further heavy showers for central and northern parts of Italy too. Now, the outlook over the next 5 days or so in London and Paris, things are turning a touch cooler. A few showers around on Wednesday. Those showers should clear from Madrid as things tend to warm up a little bit later in the week, and eventually it's drying up in Rome too. The weather also looking dry for Berlin, Moscow, Sofia and Athens too. Bye for now. Hello there. Severe weather has been pushing across some southern and eastern states over the past few days. On Friday, we had tornadoes reported across parts of Florida, all courtesy of this very active weather front that you can see on the satellite image here. Now, this front is slowly going to be clearing away into the Atlantic, so there will be an improvement for many eastern states with higher pressure building in here on Saturday, but still low pressure holding on in the far northeast of the US into southeast Canada, bringing a rain-snow mix to the likes of Montreal. Pretty wet and windy weather for much of Quebec, up towards Newfoundland and Labrador too, but quieter conditions developing down towards the Carolinas and for Georgia. Meanwhile, for British Columbia and for the Pacific Northwest, it's still unsettled. Low pressure moving in on Saturday afternoon, bringing outbreaks of rain, snow over the hills and quite windy conditions too. Some snow showers pushing across the Rockies, dry and still quite warm further south across California, but not as hot as it has been in the south. Things will eventually dry up in Vancouver, so a return to some sunshine by the time we get to Sunday, and things should also stay dry in San Francisco too. But Saturday's weather in the east, where we've got that low pressure bringing wet and windy weather to the southeast of Canada, should be drying up for New York, and as we head down the east coast, dry, settled, not as warm as it has been for the Carolinas, Georgia and into Florida too. The outlook through Sunday into Monday should be dry for the New York Marathon on Sunday. There'll be some further showers for Tallahassee. Bye-bye. Hello there. Tropical storm Xavier has formed off the southwest coast of Mexico. It's likely to stay out at sea at the moment, but we're keeping a close eye on that storm system there. Further south across South America, it is turning rather unsettled across southern Chile, with weather fronts bringing some slow-moving heavy rain, some snow over the Andes and some brisk winds too. Further north across the continent, some heavy showers stretched through parts of Paraguay down towards the southeast of Brazil too. And we're also seeing some scattered heavy showers for northern parts of Peru, also for Ecuador, Colombia and Venezuela too. But drier further east across Brazil, a fine day to come in Recife, 29 Celsius. Further south, 1 or 2 showers for Rio de Janeiro on Saturday. Buenos Aires is turning a little bit warmer than it has been recently after a fairly cool spell. And there's all that wet and windy weather that'll be pushing into southern Chile and Patagonia over the coming few days. Rio de Janeiro continues to be fairly unsettled. Further showers over the next 5 days at times, should be largely dry and pretty warm for Buenos Aires though. Now, we've got the storm sitting off the coast of the southwest of Mexico, but actually for southern Mexico, it's a story of sunshine and heavy scattered showers. Those scattered heavy showers stretching across the west of Cuba, but for eastern Cuba and Jamaica, it is looking largely dry. Towards the Lesser Antilles, sunny spells and some scattered showers and thunderstorms on offer too. Over the next 5 days or so, those showers should clear away from Havana, and it looks dry and bright in Kingston. Bye-bye. Hello there. The remnants of Tropical Storm U2 made landfall around the Fujian province of eastern China, bringing some heavy rain. That system is now clearing away towards the east, so we've seen the back of that area of heavy rain it is looking quieter across Taiwan and the east of China too. So lots of dry, settled weather here. Temperatures on the dip for the likes of Beijing through Sunday and into Monday as well. So we've got some colder air moving in here from the northwest. Some sunshine across South Korea, but there will be a few showers for central parts of Japan. Could affect Tokyo for a time. Head further south, largely dry and settled for Hong Kong. Down across Vietnam and much of Thailand too. Heavy showers further south around the Gulf of Thailand for the Malay Peninsula, particularly for Sumatra and for Borneo as well. Now here's the outlook for the next 5 days or so in Shanghai. You'll notice those temperatures taking a little bit of a dip. Plenty of heavy showers and thunderstorms on the cards for Singapore over the next few days. Still, heat is the main problem across Australia. We've got severe fire weather danger across parts of New South Wales. Alice Springs, 40 degrees. Also some heavy showers pushing out of Western Australia across the Great Australian Bight too. And after a pretty soggy first half of the weekend, things are looking a bit drier across New Zealand on Sunday. Sunny spells, a few showers for the South Island, but up towards Auckland it should stay dry and temperatures doing reasonably well around 18 degrees. Further showers at times in Melbourne in the outlook, but it should be largely dry in Wellington. Bye-bye. Hello there. The northeast monsoon has brought some heavy rain across southern India over recent days, particularly for Tamil Nadu, towards Kerala and Karnataka too. You can see on the satellite image the cloud that we've had here. Now that cloud is tending to break up and clear away towards the west. That means we'll see less in the way of that heavy monsoon rain. Still some scattered showers in the south through Saturday afternoon into the evening, but you can see some of those showers pushing a little bit further north up towards Mumbai. Still a few showers too for Sri Lanka, but they won't be as frequent or as heavy as we've seen over recent days. Elsewhere, further north across India, it's looking largely dry, settled and still reasonably warm for the time of year. Moving towards the northwest into Central Asia, largely dry, settled weather continues across Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan too. We've lost all that heavy snowfall that we had across the western Himalayas yesterday. So, well, when we get to Sunday afternoon, it should be largely dry for the western Himalayas. 1 or 2 showers further south around the west coast of India. Could catch a passing shower in Mali and a few for the likes of Chennai as well, but it is a little bit drier than it's been recently. Dry weather extending further north towards West Bengal with 1 or 2 showers for central Bangladesh. Dakar does look dry with lots of sunshine over the next 5 days or so. Colombo keeps that threat of some heavy showers and the odd thunderstorm at times as well. Meanwhile, in Tashkent, those temperatures will dip down with the arrival of some rain by Wednesday and into Thursday. Bye-bye. Hello there. Slow-moving low pressure in the central Mediterranean has been bringing disruptive weather across parts of Europe, including Italy. It's also been bringing some heavy showers and gusty winds across North Africa, including northern Algeria and Tunisia too. The weather will be quieting down, but still a few showers to come here over the next few days. Further south across Africa, plenty of showers around the Gulf of Guinea. For South Africa, it's not as hot as it has been. In Cape Town, a bit of a cooler picture through the second half of the weekend. We've had quite a bit of fog in the north, but that should be tending to break up, so visibility improving to the north of Johannesburg, with temperatures here of 27 Celsius. Now, Cape Town may well see some rain on Sunday, but then it will slowly brighten up and warm up through the remainder of the week. And it's going to be remaining warm and sunny in Dakar as well. Meanwhile, the outlook in Casablanca is for a few sharp showers around on Monday. Lusaka should stay largely dry with some spells of sunshine on offer. Meanwhile, across the Middle East, we've already seen flash flooding through central Saudi Arabia. More heavy downpours on Sunday as this zone of showers shifts north for Syria, Iraq and Kuwait. Heavy showers, gusty winds and flash flooding likely. Quieter further south for Oman, Yemen and for southern parts of Saudi Arabia. But I think this weather system could be quite a troublemaker as it slowly continues its progression northwards through Iraq and into Iran over the next few days. Heavy showers continue in Baghdad and in Jordan over the next couple of days. Bye-bye.